Howdy! In this video, we will discuss when you may need to enter zeros manually in the Canvas gradebook and show you how to do this successfully through Excel. Prior to submitting grades to Howdy, you will need to confirm that there are no missing grades or assignments in your gradebook. Howdy will automatically treat anything missing as a zero. This may cause students to view a lower grade in Howdy than in Canvas. Entering zeros prior to submitting grades will help eliminate this problem. If you are using a missing or late assignment policy in your course, zeros may be automatically applied to student assignments. However, there may be situations that might require manual grade entry, such as if you are using third-party tools, do not use the due date feature in assignments, or have assignments with no submission, or an on-paper submission type. In these situations, you will need to enter the zeros manually. One option to do this is through Excel. To do this, start by exporting your gradebook to a file that Excel can use. Click on the Grades link in your navigation pane. Click on the Actions menu and then click on Export. Canvas will automatically download the file to your computer. Once the file has downloaded, go ahead and open it. In the exported version of the gradebook, enter zeros in the blank cells. Make sure to only enter them in the assignment columns. Here, you can tell the assignment columns because they have the points possible. Expand the column names to make sure you know which columns you are working with. Now you can see that I have the 5 assignments open and will begin entering zeros. To enter zeros, click on a blank cell and simply enter 0 and then the enter button. Continue doing this until all of the assignments have a 0. You can do this manually, or you can search for all the blank cells at once. To do this, select the cell range you'd like to check for blank cells. I'm going to search for blank cells in the assignment columns. On the Home tab, select Find and Select, and then go to Special. Click the Blanks Radio button and click OK. This will highlight all of the blank cells in the range you selected. Enter a 0 in the cell and then click Control-Enter and the rest will be filled automatically. Once you have entered 0 in all of the blank cells, save the document. Go to File, Save As, and save this document in a place that you'd like. In my case, I'm going to save it in Documents and name it Test Grades. Once you've saved the document, navigate back to your course gradebook. Click on the Actions menu and then select Import. Click Choose File and locate the file that you just saved. Select Upload Data, and you'll be taken to a screen where you have another chance to review the grades before uploading. Confirm that they are correct and click Save Changes at the bottom. You will be redirected back to your gradebook, where you should now see zeros for all the missing assignments. If there are any discrepancies in these letter grades, we are happy to help. Email the Office for Academic Innovation at aihelp@tamu.edu, and we are happy to assist with ensuring your grades are accurately submitted to Howdy. For more information, training, and resources, please visit lms.tamu.edu. Thanks and gig 'em.